Mantika.
I'm Simulayan. I'm Justin Loret.
I'm Roberto G. Capona Jr.
Hani Jenny Alugay. I'm Nika V. Cabaneros. Christine Bangalto. Jasmine Islamis.
And we are the Guardians.
So today, we will discuss about illustrating circular permutation of objects.
What you need to know. First, identify. Second, describe the possible arrangement of object. Third, list the possible arrangement of object. And the last one, fourth, count the possible arrangement of objects that made from this situation or activity called circular permutation.
Let us know what is permutation. Permutation refers to the different arrangement of objects in a different manners, in which the order of the object is important. The permutation has three types, which is distinct, non-distinct, and circular permutation. So today, we will discuss circular permutation.
What is circular permutation? Circular permutation is a type of permutation where different objects are arranged in circular manner. So here are some examples.
First example, 3 people are sitting around a circular table. The 3 people are A, B, and C. Observe the following illustration. Is that the first 3 arrangements are the same. The position of this have been moved, but they are still in the same position. No first place in the same arrangement of guests, with each guest move his position, be it be clockwise or counterclockwise. It does not change the relative position. Same with 4th, 5th, and 6th arrangement. With the use of FCP, getting the number of possible arrangements of objects in a circular manner by just dividing the possible arrangement of objects in a line by the number of objects involved in a circular permutation. So 3 times 2 times 1 over 3 is equal 6 over 3 divided by 3 is equals 2. So 2 ways that the 3 ways can be arranged around the circular table.
Another example, 4 campers sitting around of campfire. The campers are A, B, C, and D. With the use of FCP, since there are 4 objects involved then. So 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 24 over 4. And 24 divided by 4 equals 6. 6 possible arrangements of 4 campers sitting around campfire.
As problem solving. So, this is the formula of circular permutation. Let us use this formula. P equals quantity n minus 1 factorial. Example, 6 people are going to sit around the table. How many different ways can this be done? N is equals to 6. Apply the formula. P equals quantity n minus 1 factorial. P equals quantity 6 minus 1 factorial equals 5 factorial. The value of 5 factorial is equals to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 120 ways.
So, in this video, you learned how to identify situation or activities that involve permutation and count the total number of possible arrangement of objects with order matters.